In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English, Term 3, Unit 2, The Cracked Coffee Cup. Before getting to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Cracked, break or cause to break without completely separated parts. Wagging, fast movement of the tail. Sink, a fixed basin with a tap for water. Garbage, rubbish or waste. Nap, sleep. Provision store, a shop where we get groceries. Differently abled, physically disabled. Flashes, sudden burst of bright light. Leftover, excess or extra. Disturbed, troubled. Renewed, to start freshly. Let us get into the lesson now. The Cracked Coffee Cup. Connie was waiting for her parents to return from work. She was eager to talk to her parents about her day at school. Suddenly, Teddy, the dog, ran to the gate with his favorite pillow. "Teddy, where are you running?" asked Connie. Connie ran after Teddy to see where he was going. Connie's parents were at the gate. Teddy was so happy to see them and he took his pillow as a sign of welcoming them. Teddy would not stop wagging his tail and followed them until they pet him. Connie did not wait for a moment and started talking about her day to her parents. Connie was a girl who was waiting for her parents to return from their work. She was very eager to talk about her day at school to her parents. Will you share everything to your parents or not? Yes, we used to share what are the things happened in our school, isn't it? Suddenly, her pet dog, Teddy, ran to the gate with his favorite pillow. Connie asked Teddy, "Where are you going?" Connie ran after the dog to see where the dog was going. Connie's parents were at the gate. By seeing her parents, Teddy was happy and wagging his tail and welcoming them with his pillow. He did not stop wagging his tail until they pet him. Connie did not wait for a moment. She started talking about her day at school to her parents. It was a Sunday morning at 9 a.m. While Connie was painting, Teddy again ran to the gate with his pillow. "Teddy, parents are here, and where are you running again?" asked Connie. It was Saturday morning at 9 a.m. While Connie was painting, Teddy again ran to the gate with his pillow. By seeing that, Connie asked, "Parents are here, where are you running again?" Connie again ran after him. This time it was Selvi, the house helper, at the gate. Teddy would not stop wagging his tail and followed her until she pet him. Selvi then started cleaning the house, and every time she walked near Teddy, he would wag his tail. Connie walked into the kitchen where Selvi was cleaning the vessels. Near the kitchen sink, Connie saw an old cracked cup with coffee in it. After finishing all the work at home, Selvi drank the coffee. By seeing Teddy, Connie also followed him. This time it was Selvi, the house helper, at the gate. Teddy would not stop wagging his tail until she pet him. Then Selvi started cleaning the house. Each and every time she walked near Teddy, Teddy would wag his tail. Connie walked into the kitchen where Selvi was cleaning the vessels. Connie saw an old cracked coffee cup near the sink. After finishing all the work, Selvi drank the coffee. At around 12 p.m., while Connie and Teddy were in the garden, she heard someone whistling. Teddy again ran to the gate with his pillow. "Teddy, Selvi akka left an hour ago, and where are you running again?" asked Connie. It was 12 o'clock. While Connie and Teddy were in the garden, Connie heard someone whistling. Teddy again ran to the gate with his pillow. By seeing that, Connie asked Teddy, "Where are you running again?" "Selvi akka left an hour ago only." by saying that Kani again ran after him. This time it was Muthu. Muthu collected garbage from every house. Teddy would not stop wagging his tail until Muthu pet him. Kani ran to the kitchen to pick up the garbage bag. Kani ran after Teddy. This time it was Muthu. Muthu who collects garbages from every house. Garbages means waste. Teddy would not stop wagging his tail until Muthu pet him. Kani ran to the kitchen to pick up the garbage bag. Kani, will you eat these sweets? There are only 2 left and it is getting old, asked Kani's mom. No, I won't eat, replied Kani. There is also some leftover rice from yesterday. I will pack both the sweets and rice. We can give it to Muthu, said Kani's mom. Kani dropped off the garbage and gave Muthu 2 leftover food. When Kani was picking the garbage bag, her mother asked, Kani, will you eat these sweets? Only 2 are left and it's also getting old. Then she said, no ma, I won't eat. Then she said, there's also some leftover rice from yesterday, so I will pack both sweets and rice. We'll give it to Muthu, said Kani's mom. Kani dropped off the garbage and gave Muthu the leftover food. Let us continue the lesson in the next video.